Okay, I'm going to get started on repairing these holes in the frame. I've got 3 plugs to weld in. Basically, this one's pretty gangstered in the rear. That one's completely screwed. This guy over here is passable. I'm going to use it. I'm going to try to weld around the perimeter a little bit and grind it down. And then this guy is also ruined. So I measured from the body mounts on the car itself. I got 20¼ inches from center to center on the braces on the passenger side. So I measured off a line in the center of the hole, found my center here. It's not in the center of that hole, but that hole is pretty foobarred, as you can see. You can see like the remnants of where the bushing sat on there, and that's kind of in the center of my circle. So I'm going to cut that out first and then lay the replacement washer in there and see if how much I have to actually grind off to get it nice and flush. On this end here, this is lifted up a little bit, so I'm hoping that the washer sits level there. We'll find out shortly. Okay, I've got the first washer in. I'm going to start to weld it now. There's a couple things I want to clean up here. There's some disgusting weld, probably from 71 on there. But this is flush. I got a little bit of a gap there, which is nice. I'll probably be able to get some good heat in there. I'm going to actually, even though this kind of just overlapped from the factory, I'm going to weld this in just to make sure that I got a really good weld. I'm going to pop this out, clean it, and hope for the best here. I think it should be pretty good though. So I'm just going to clean all the rust I can off of here. I'm going to be painting it from the back side later. I have a couple little access holes in here, but I'm just going to clean it up right now with the wire brush really good. Okay, I decided to tackle this one first because it was the worst of these 2 remaining holes. This one I was able to salvage all of the back of the frame. I just needed one little filler piece of metal. As you can see, it came out pretty good. I got a little couple pits in there. Not going to worry about those. But this I'm going to cut out, and I'm going to replace the whole piece of metal. I'm going to cut all the rotted part out. Do that right now and finish it off. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!